Guys, it's Artsy Nerdy Naomi here. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 slides, and then my other video I'm going to be showing you like how to make fluffy slime. So yeah, so this video may be very short, but yeah, I got 1 fluffy, 1 jiggly slime. So yeah, the jiggly slime is blue, glitter. And then the fluffy is just glitter as well. So yeah. So let me go get the slime. So I have the fluffy slime. Comes in this container, and also I got this from my friend Christina. So shout out to you, Christina, if you are watching this video. And she was selling them for $5. So I got 2 and cost $10. So here's the slime. It's definitely fluffy. Look, it's very pokeable. Like, it looks nice. It feels nice. So yeah, I'm trying to look for something. I'm gonna bring my slime box where I keep my slime. But, so yeah, I'm gonna put this slime on top of here. Oh, glitter comes off. Oh, you can't see it on camera. Oh, okay, good, okay. A little bit, right? So I'm gonna put it right here, and this is like actually wood, but like actually like I don't know what it's called though, but this is like actually a really good fluffy slime. I'm trying to hold the whole thing with my chin. Sorry if you can't hear like the poking noises. Okay, so let me try to get as close as I can. Ah! So yeah, that's the fluffy slime. And it's very stretchy as well. So I'm going to put this away into my collection. And yeah. Okay, let me go get the other slime. So I got the jiggly slime. So here it is. There's a lot of sprinkles. Oh my god. I keep on saying sprinkles. Glitter. Smells really good. It smells like perfume, like shaving, like shower cream. No, shower cream. Shower gel. But look, it looks so sticky. It is actually jiggly slime, but it's not sticky at all. Very stretchy. Oh, there's glitter all over the bottom. This is really good jiggly slime. I can't even make jiggly slime. I gotta ask her for the recipe. Trying to get you the best poking noises as I can. Okay, now I'm gonna put it here. This one has like a lot of glitter coming off, but that doesn't bother me. So let me try to get it out. It's not sticky though, which is a good thing. all this glitter. This is cool. Okay, all the glitter in the bottom. But go away, fly. So here's the slime. All that glitter coming off. I love this song. This is like my favorite. It's not sticky. It's just. Let me see how stretchy it is. I haven't stretched it. Not that stretchy, but at least it's jiggly slime. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm like so memorized with this line. So yeah, that's the jiggly slime. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna be making a video right after this video. So just stay tuned with me, and I'll see you in my next video. And hopefully, I'm probably gonna have this glitter all over me now. Right? I know I just wiped it all over my video. You know what? Maybe I need some sparkle too. Give it some sparkle. It's in my nails. Oh well. Alright. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye, nerds.